From limited electric vehicle options and conservative designs to potential drawbacks in performance, technology, and luxury features, Toyota may not be the ideal choice for every buyer. Here, we'll explore 20 reasons why you might want to consider other brands before making a final decision on a Toyota. Let's dive in and examine the reasons why a Toyota might not be the right fit for you. Limited electric vehicle options. While Toyota has made strides in hybrid technology, the company has been slower to embrace fully electric vehicles compared to some of its competitors. This means that buyers looking for a wide selection of electric vehicle options may find Toyota's lineup lacking. Currently, Toyota only offers one fully electric vehicle, the bZ4X. And as the automotive industry shifts towards electric power, Toyota risks falling behind if it doesn't expand its electric vehicle offerings. Some models prioritize practicality over performance. Toyota is known for building reliable, practical vehicles that prioritize function over form. While this approach has earned the company a loyal customer base, some buyers may find that certain Toyota models lack the driving excitement or engagement they desire. For enthusiasts who prioritize a thrilling driving experience, Toyota's focus on practicality may be a drawback. However, it's worth noting that Toyota does offer some models, such as the Supra and the 86, that cater to driving enthusiasts. Ultimately, the importance of driving excitement versus practicality will depend on the individual buyer's preferences and needs. The bland designs. Toyota's design philosophy has often been described as conservative, with some buyers finding the company's vehicles to be bland or uninspired. While this approach has helped Toyota build brand identity, it may not appeal to buyers who are looking for more daring or eye-catching designs. In recent years, Toyota models like the Camry and RAV4 models have looked the same for the past decade. Higher prices on the used market. Toyota's well-established reputation for reliability and longevity can sometimes lead to higher prices on the used market compared to similar vehicles from other brands. Toyota's low depreciation means that buyers who are looking for a used Toyota may end up paying more than they would for another brand, as Toyota's vehicles tend to hold their value well over time. However, the higher resale value of Toyotas can be an advantage for buyers who plan to sell or trade in their vehicle in the future. High-priced prices, trim levels. While Toyota is often associated with affordability and value, the prices for top trim models can sometimes reach luxury car levels. This means that buyers who are interested in a fully loaded Toyota may find themselves paying a premium price that rivals some luxury brands. For example, a top-of-the-line Toyota Crown or Toyota 4Runner can easily exceed $50,000, which may be difficult to justify for some buyers. Ultimately, if you want a top-of-the-line Toyota, you'll be paying a price that rivals numerous luxury brands. Slower to adopt new technology. In some cases, Toyota has been slower to adopt certain new technologies compared to other automakers. This can be seen in areas such as infotainment systems, advanced driver assistance features, and electric powertrains. While Toyota's approach may be more cautious, it can mean that buyers who are looking for the latest and greatest tech features may find the company's offerings to be lacking. Buyers will need to decide whether they prioritize cutting-edge technology or tried-and-true reliability. Dated Toyota infotainment systems. Many Toyota models have been criticized for having dated or unintuitive infotainment systems. These systems can be harder to use, with clunky interfaces and limited functionality compared to more modern offerings from competitors. This can be frustrating for buyers looking for connectivity and user-friendly technology in their vehicles. While it may not deter them from buying the car, a clunky infotainment system may rarely be used. Fewer premium interior materials than competitors. While Toyota is known for building high-quality vehicles, some models may have less than premium interior materials compared to competitors in the same class. This can be particularly noticeable in lower trim models, where hard plastics and less refined finishes may be more prevalent. For buyers who prioritize a lavish cabin, this may be a drawback. While higher-trim Toyotas often feature more premium materials and finishes, you'll also be paying a hefty price for them. Fuel pump failures. In recent years, Toyota has faced issues with fuel pump failures in certain models. This problem has led to recalls and concerns about reliability, which is unusual for a brand that is known for its dependability. Fuel pump failures can cause engines to stall or hesitate, which can be a safety risk in certain driving situations. While Toyota has taken steps to address this issue and has issued recalls to fix affected vehicles, the problem may give some buyers pause when considering a Toyota purchase. It's important for potential buyers to research whether their desired model has been affected by the fuel pump issue and to ensure that any necessary repairs have been made. Less horsepower than rivals. Toyota models may have less horsepower than rival offerings in the same class. This can be a drawback for buyers who prioritize performance and acceleration. While Toyota's engines are generally known for their reliability and efficiency, they may not always be the most powerful options on the market. This can be particularly noticeable in segments where horsepower and torque are key selling points, such as sports cars or large SUVs. Inferior driving dynamics. Some Toyota vehicles, particularly those focused on comfort and practicality, may not have as tight or precise handling as sportier alternatives in the same class. Toyota's suspension tuning and steering setups may be geared more towards comfort and stability than outright agility, which can result in a less engaging driving experience. Some models, such as the 86 and the Supra, are designed with handling and performance in mind, but these are not practical options for most drivers. Lower fuel economy ratings. Certain Toyota vehicles, particularly their trucks and SUVs, may have lower fuel economy ratings compared to smaller or more efficient alternatives. For those concerned about fuel prices, this can be a drawback. While Toyota has made efforts to improve the efficiency of its larger vehicles in recent years, some models still lag behind competitors in terms of fuel economy. Toyota's popularity makes them a common sight on the road. If you are looking to make a statement and stand out from the crowd, you won't do that in a Toyota. Toyota's popularity means some of its models are very common on roads. Seeing many similar Toyotas on the road can make the ownership experience feel less special or unique. On the plus side, Toyota's popularity can be an advantage in terms of parts availability and service options, as it may be easier to find mechanics or aftermarket support for a widely owned vehicle. Less rear seat legroom than competitors. Toyotas aren't always best options for carpooling. Some Toyota models, particularly in the compact and mid-size segments, may have less rear seat legroom than competitors in the same class. If you frequently transport adult passengers or require ample space for child seats, you may find the back seats lacking. While Toyota's vehicles are generally known for their practicality and interior space efficiency, some models may prioritize other factors, such as cargo capacity or overall compactness, over rear seat legroom. Some models feel dated. Toyota's approach to vehicle development often involves longer product cycles compared to some competitors. While this can contribute to the company's reputation for reliability and thorough testing, it can also mean that some models may feel dated or less advanced compared to fresher rivals. This can be particularly noticeable in areas such as styling, technology features, and powertrain options. For buyers who prioritize having the latest and most up-to-date vehicles, Toyota's extended development cycles are certainly a downside. Uninspired paint colors. Many buyers may find certain paint colors and styling flourishes to be uninspired or lacking in creativity. This is most noticeable in lower trim models or in more conservative segments, but it remains a problem for some higher-end options as well. For buyers who crave a little customization and personalization in their vehicle, the lack of choice can be a deal breaker. On top of that, the lack of color options doesn't generate much excitement for the brand and its models either. Fewer compact and sedan models are available. In recent years, Toyota has reduced the number of compact and sedan models in its lineup, following a broader industry trend towards crossovers and SUVs. This means that buyers who prefer compact cars may have fewer options to choose from. The company has discontinued or scaled back some of its once popular models, such as the Yaris and the Avalon, in favor of more crossover-style vehicles. While Toyota still offers some compelling compact and sedan options, such as the Corolla and the Camry, the overall selection has become a lot more limited. Some Toyota engines lack efficiency. While Toyota engines are known for their reliability and durability, some may lack the latest efficiency or performance technologies found in competitors' offerings. This can be particularly noticeable in areas such as turbocharging, direct injection, or hybrid powertrains. For buyers who prioritize cutting-edge engine tech or maximum efficiency, this may be a drawback. Buyers will need to weigh the importance of the latest engine technologies against Toyota's reputation for dependable, long-lasting powertrains. Brakes can wear out quickly. Some Toyota models, particularly those equipped with softer brake pads designed for quiet operation and low dust generation, may experience more rapid brake wear compared to competitors. This can lead to more frequent brake service intervals and higher maintenance costs over the life of the vehicle. While brake wear can vary significantly depending on driving habits, environment, and other factors, many drivers have found that their brakes can start wearing significantly after the first 20,000 miles. Lack of high-end features. Many Toyota models do not offer certain high-end luxury features unless you opt for their luxury brand, Lexus. This can include items such as massaging seats, air suspension, or advanced infotainment systems with larger screens or more intuitive interfaces. Buyers looking for luxury amenities without paying top dollar may want to look elsewhere. It may be especially important for drivers who need such amenities to feel more comfortable behind the wheel.